and we already added in our glue. Now we are going to add in about 5 pumps of shaving cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't stir yet. Now we are going to add in 2 pumps of foaming hand wash. 1, 2. Now we are going to add in 2 pumps of lotions. Yours doesn't work. How many 2? 2. Go. It's fine if you do it. Now you're going to add in a whole thing of cornstarch. A whole plastic spoonful of cornstarch. Now I'm going to stir up while she pours it in. Stirred up really good. Mine is getting stirred up and it looks like a cloud.
Wait, what is this even for?
I don't know. I think it makes it soft.
Okay. I added 2 more squirts just to make it way more soft.
2 more like her. So that our sides are similar.
But we're going to do different
Colors.
So I got to
Now we can add in our color and our glitter.
Okay. So I'm going to do blood, kind of bloody red.
Should I do blue or purple? Blue or
Purple. You can do whatever you want.
I want to do blue.
Fine, do blue then.
But I want to
Why did you ask me then? You wanted to do blue, then why did you ask me?
Dad, blue. No, I actually am going to do
I'm going to
purple.
do
I'm going to do purple.
7 drops to die. Okay, there.
I can't get it open. Just not going to do it. I'll just do blue.
Okay, there. I had 7 drops. That's probably enough.
I can't get it.
To make it like red. Like I want it. Yep. That's what I want.
I'm adding in more. I'm probably going to add in this whole bottle.
That makes it look pinky.
Look, I'm adding in the whole bottle.
Don't
I'm not going to
add
add
it
it
in
in
the
the whole bottle just in case you want to use it
I'm
again.
gonna make it like a light pink.
Look how blue. Stir it really quick.
Pink. Where's this purple?
That is it turned out purple, but it's supposed to be a pink.
Not using that.
I don't think we even have pink. Wait,
This is pink.
that is a pink, actually. I've used it, and it makes that neon pink.
I'm not gonna try it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna add in a gold glitter. Only a little bit of it though, because if I overdo it, then it's just annoying. Because then you'll have way too much glitter. And don't spend a lot of time on your glitter because you can go back anytime and add way more glitter.
I accidentally added a little bit too much glitter. But
I'm gonna add a little bit more lotion to make it way softer too. So this and this make it look way softer. This makes it just like foamy kind of. That's what kind of makes it. The glue makes it stick. The color makes it just brighter. And
not plain.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna add in.
And the glitter just makes it
Now I'm gonna add in the Tide. We are using Tide. We've never used it before, but we are going to add it in. I'm actually gonna finish stirring. We've never added it before, but we want to try that because we were out of Stay Flow. And we've never actually used borax. We've used it once.
Yeah, wasn't that good?
Well, it was good, but we didn't know how to use it, technically.
I'm just adding it.
So I'm going to pour this up so that me and her can share it. I'm going to pour in a tiny
A
tap.
little bit. Can you help me
Because-
with this? Because last time I did it, I was not good at it.
Okay, I got it. Okay, are you ready? Don't add add anything else.
Wait,
in.
I need.
Once
I'm not
I
ready
do
to
this,
activate. I'm not ready
once
to
I do
activate.
this, you can't add anything else. In.
Yeah, I'm not ready to activate.
Once you activate, you cannot add anything else. In.
Yeah, so this is whenever you like add all your glitters, the most glitter you need, and all your stuff.
Now, do you want me to do it for you?
Now you can.
There's no exact measurement for the activator. You just.
But I would
add in
recommend at least.
1 or 2.
Let's see how much we do. Oh, that's good.
I know.
Start a little.
I'm gonna need a little bit more.
You stir it till it's all gone because this comes out really quickly because I did a video before this and I did the same color and it wasn't that good. So,
Now we'll
see,
be in
it's
the
coming
lenses.
together kind of.
It's gonna take a couple more squirts. And don't go out of hand.
I need a little bit more. Is that good?
Do you want to add
Should
it
I
or
add
do you
more?
want me to add more?
Should I have more?
Yeah, it's so sticky. Do you want me to add it?
A little bit. Is that good? You
A
sure?
little bit more. You probably will need a little bit more, but you might not.
So how many darts is that?
That's about 2.5.
Give me 3.
About
Give me
3.
Okay, I think I need at least 2 more drops.
Oh, look, mine's coming together. My slime's coming together.
So do you think I need more?
Yeah. No, that was a lot. It's.
Give me a plate.
Damn it, pour it out.
I need a plate. I need a plate. I need another plate. No, don't. This is why it turns horrible.
Okay, now that's good. That's good. Okay.
I don't need all that in there with my slime. That was
Your
just
slime's
wrong.
drowning.
Cindy.
Sorry.
Okay,
That was actually pretty funny. Your slime's drowning.
it's not
Now
funny.
you can pour that into your slime. I'm just
Okay.
gonna add a tiny bit.
So it's turning out.
We gotta hurry up. Oh my gosh, it's coming together. Look how good. Great. Whatever.
Wee.
It's still really
Sarah.
sticky. I'm adding more.
Is it good? Cindy, we're at 7.
Okay, let's hurry up.
No, you don't need to hurry. We just
With
need to
this-
work it.
and with doing this.
Okay, I'm gonna start using my hands because obviously it's working. Oh my gosh, it feels so good, everybody.
Oh my gosh, look how good this is.
Ugh.
At the end, it's probably gonna be beautiful slime.
Ours both. I just need a little bit more time because
I wanted to make galaxy slime, but now I don't want to.
Oh, I need some more of this. That's
Whoa, look how good this looks. It's still really sticky.
I'm making sure it doesn't drown.
Whoa, look.
Like what I did with my last
It's
one.
sticky though.
I'm not gonna take it out yet because that's what I did last time and I made a mess. So
Look at this. It sticks to the table. I'm gonna clean that up in just a second. With my slime. You know what? I'm gonna actually clean it up with my hands.
okay. It's super sticky. So
Okay,
just a
yeah.
little bit at a time. I gotta work it in all the way. And then you have to add more. Once you work it in.
Look how pretty my slime looks.
How pretty. So is it sticky?
A little bit.
Yeah. Is it stretchy?
Yeah.
It's like the best one. Still a lot sticky.
Look how stretchy. I'm gonna rip it
Okay.
apart. But it's super stretchy.
I think if you washed your hands and then came back, it would be as sticky to your hands.
Whoa! I didn't wash my hands and look how stretchy. Look how stretchy. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, I just broke it apart.
I'm gonna put a
No,
little.
don't stick
Is
to
it
me.
super stretchy,
I'm
Sunny?
gonna add a little bit
Is
more.
yours like super duper stretchy?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. Feels like cotton candy.
Oh, so you feel it. It feels amazing.
Oh my gosh, it's
It's
look
like
how
so
mine feel mine. Mine feels like air. Sort
It
of.
doesn't feel good.
Doesn't feel like anything. That's why it's so weird. It doesn't feel like anything. toss it around, it doesn't feel like anything. So you can see it. So
This
is what our slime looks
This
like.
is our endings.
And so comment down below which slime
you like better.
best. We made cotton candy colors, blue and pink. So comment down below which slime you like better, blue or the pink one.